SIPP stands for Self-Invested Personal Pension, a do-it-yourself pension pot, if you will. You choose where you want your money to be invested rather than have an advisor or manager do it for you. The potential benefit to a client if they have a SIPP is that we can potentially help them with an in-specie transfer. This means they could transfer the portfolio of assets inside their SIPP entirely intact to a QROPS without the need to sell and repurchase any of the investments. This avoids all buying and selling costs. There are a few limitations, but by and large, everything stays pretty much intact. We've good experience of working with SIPP providers, including AJ Bell, Hargreaves Lansdowne, and Curtis Banks and Suffolk Life. One SIPP provider actually recommended us to another. There's a bit of a speciality for GBPensions here. We believe we were the first to do in-specie transfers from SIPPs over 10 years ago. GBPensions is here to help you. Please get in touch if you've got any queries in connection with your UK personal or company pension schemes. We'll be glad to help.